welcome to Traventures, your #1 source for family travel information. And today we are checking out the city of Cincinnati, Ohio, and it is awesome. We only went to one place, but I can honestly say I would not go anywhere else. If you can only pick one, just go to downtown Cincinnati. It was awesome. I've been to a lot of downtowns, and I think this was my favorite. Chicago was pretty cool. But Cincinnati was totally unexpected. Like, I was floored by how amazing downtown Cincinnati was. Right on the downtown river is the Brent Spence Bridge, and it is a really cool looking bridge. Like, just my husband has a thing for bridges. I don't know, it seems like he's always checking out bridges. So we've got tons of pictures and videos of this bridge, but it is very cool and it just adds to the whole ambiance that is downtown Cincinnati. It's right on the Ohio River, and all along there they have these really unique, cool climbing gyms and slides that are kind of integrated into the landscape of the hills there that the kids had so much fun climbing on. And then they also had all of these like community swings built for grown-ups that you could swing out, enjoy the peaceful river. There were like, I don't know what it was about it, but there was just a vibe in that city. Like, it was like everyone was friends. Like, you were all just hanging out at the park with your friends. One of the other cool places that was along the river is they had this splash pad right by the sports arena there. It was a fun community type of environment there. It was cool. So if you can only do one thing in Cincinnati, Ohio, just go downtown and walk around, because it was amazing. And it is perfectly kid-friendly. If you have kids, definitely go to downtown Cincinnati. So fun. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to check out what our adventure was like in Cincinnati, Ohio, make sure you click on the Taylor Tadpoles link at the end of this video. It's a little circle with a frog. Awesome. Peace, guys.